Everyone. So last time we already covered the column property, how to place column and how to modify the column properties. And after that, I need to discuss user defined attribute so that you can aware about that all the things. So let's start the user defined attribute. So first click this one and go to this setting icon. After that, you will find this user defined attribute. Okay, see, there is a lot of option in the user defined attribute. See here, change order, nodes, assembly status, material status, IFC, design detailing status, soft site status. Lot of tab is there. Okay, so which one tab we are using, which one tab we are ignoring. So I will explain each and everything. See, change order, we are actually we are not using this one, change order section. Second one, we are using notes for the special category or some special notes when we need to keep inside the application drawing, assembly drawing. So we are using this one. For example, you can consider this one column is a simple column, and it's a double quoted column. Okay, for example. So if simple column, then no need to worry about that anything, no need to do anything. But if double quoted or double primer in the all model, the all the column is simple. Okay, and in the particular column, there is any special things, so we need to keep in the notes so that he can understand that what need to do with this column. Okay, otherwise we can give manually also. There is an option to give manually, but it's better to keep inside the notes so that in future anyone can aware about that this one having that note. Okay, so we are using for that one, and whatever the special category or something you need to give inside the drawing, so we can keep writing here note till 12. Okay, after that we go to assembly status. Assembly status, some of the option here also available, and some of the options same available inside the assembly status also is available. Okay, so sequence name, lot name, this one sometimes use, this one sometimes not usable, because this one depends upon the structure and client also. So if client will give the information about sequence name and lot name, then you need to keep this one, and otherwise you can ignore, because we and I think 1 to 2% client only asking this one. Okay, after that, date issued to the production. It means when I have given this column to the production, so that he can aware about the status of that column. Okay, so we can select from that drop down, and date of fabrication completed. This one actually, this one and this one, actually this one we are giving, but this one we are not giving, because the date fabrication completed. Why we are going to keep inside that model, correct? So this one is simply the fabricator having its own template, and he will update in that template, he will update in that software the what is going follow, what is the procedure in of that particular fabricator. He will take care about that. So we are not giving here the fabrication completed date or something else, we are not giving that. Okay, so workshop name no need actually. Actually, workshop, what we don't know which workshop are working actually. When we are going to model this one, we don't know about that. After maybe sometimes we can know. So this one is waste of time only, so we are ignoring this one. And this workshop name we are not keeping here, because if I will give this drawing to the any workshop, so I have that record in that mail or some in that maybe software. So we can leave this one. Okay, we can leave this one. Package number also no need here. Batch number, this one, batch number, package number, both is using in at the time of dispatching of that particular member to the site. So here we do not need to keep here. Actually this one is part of the after fabrication, so leave it for now. And load number also no need, load status also no need here to keep. Assembly hold status already is there, on hold, on release, like that. So here no need to keep. And date loaded, date shipped, this one all belongs to assembly status. This one all belongs to here, from here to here, all belongs to only dispatching, fabrication and dispatching. So we don't care about that, because this option is available in the particular fabricator software or fabricator tracking procedure. So we don't uh, use this one. We are actually we are not using this one. Okay, after that, material status also we are not using because this one is material status fully for the purchase department. Okay, purchasing order item, date of purchasing order, country origin, this one is the fully for the purchase department. So we don't care about that, because if we will give this two status for that particular single member, so it will be go much more time consuming. It will be, this procedure will be much more time consuming. You can understand. But if the fabricator or if the company will ask about that, so you need to keep this one as what is the name is there. See, like that, date due to uh, uh, date due of PO item, so you can keep here what is the date, heat number you can keep, country origin you can keep. So if you are you have the information, you can paste here. But generally we are not using assembly status, material status. Okay, and change order, this one we are ignoring, only we are using notes. Okay, after that, see, second one, IFC export, we are not using from here. IFC export option is there, import export is option is there, so leave for now. Okay, design and detailing status here. From here we can use from here, send for approval, approved, date, approved by, we can use here. But we are not using here, because there is this option also available in drawing revision. So we are not using here, we are using at the when we are going to submit the drawing. At the time we will give this one. Okay, and I will explain all the things at the time of when we are going to create drawing and releasing that drawing. So this one option already is there, so we are not using from here. Shop and site condition. Okay, see, shipment number, package number, delivery number, fabrication code, all things you can see, all things belongs to only shop. Dispatching management, you can say dispatch person, for this one we can use for the dispatch person. But we are not using here. And also this one is for site person, and this one we are not using. because if I will update this one day by day what you is going on in the site, so it will be difficult to manage each and every member for that, so that we are not using here. For that one we erector or fabricator having different type of management tool, so that he can use whatever is pending, whatever he can know, whatever is pending, whatever is balance, so he will know, no problem. So we are not using this one because of taking lot of time and wasting of time only for us. Okay. And after that, RFI management also we are not using. Class management also not using. Okay. So only what I prefer, notes. Okay. And now this one we are using, this one is very very important. And see, this one logged option also is the inside the UD, and also here also. Okay. And comments, it means if something you can say, if in that particular member column or beam whatever is there, if if this column having some issue, and what is the issue we don't know. Okay. Anybody doesn't know. If you will keep here comment, so he can know about that this issue is there. Okay. So I have earlier I have given one example for the connection of that beam and the placement of the shear plate. I moved by 15 mm or 15 inch or 10 inch like that. So how would he know about that? Was only he know about that, yes, this is on hold, but why this one is hold, you can keep here. Or sometimes the checker also keeping here checked like that. So whatever the situation, you can use this comment option also. And shortening also here also available, and camber also available. You can use same whatever from where you can use. Okay. On after that camber, after that preliminary mark, we are if your fabricator wants to give this one, so you can keep here. Otherwise we are not using. Existing member, yes, this one option same. And user defined attribute, actually what happened, why we are using user defined user field 1 2 3 4. So in the drawing, if I need something special or something notes inside that drawing, so we are using user defined field 1 2 3 4 like that. So whatever is the required, we will discuss in the at the time of drawing, because if I will explain here, so you cannot understand what the meaning of user defined user field 1 2 3 4. So that you only here you can know only here. So we are using here, and we are giving some value or some notes here, so that like double sided weld, like continuous weld, we can give like that notes. So the fabricator can understand anything need to do a special. Okay. Member color also we can give from here, but we are giving from here, so don't this one is easy to change. And so here fixing drawing main view, need to keep the default. Do not touch anything here for now. You can do later what once you have finished the 3 4 project. After that you can play here also. So for now leave it for default. Gauge material, what happened in the hot rolled section and US project, sometimes we are giving 8 mm material. And sometimes the fabricator or erector wants that one in GA. So if 8 mm material or 1/8 inch material, like that, 1/16, 3/32, and 1/16 like that material, we need to convert here. and we need to give this one gauge value, so you can see in the drawing, and he can understand whatever he needs. Actually, every fabricator having its own standard. So if some fabricator is using 1 by 8, some fabricator using 12 GA, like that. So according to that one, we need to provide the here. If 12 GA is there, so here 12 GA we can select this one from here. Okay, after that, buyout item in the sense, sometimes in the case of handrail, let's example one example of a handrail. Sometimes what we are using, actually someone fabricator is using. I want to show something here. Okay, here, um, okay, let's see here. Only for your reference, this will discuss later also. So this one I need to give here some pipe. Okay. Okay, sometimes what happen na, sometimes the fabricator is using one pipe and bending here, like that here. Okay, sometimes what is going on now, sometimes fabricator take one pipe and bend according to the requirement. Okay, and sometimes what happen, sometimes here, if you can see here, one here, and sorry, one here, and one here, and here one elbow. He will join one elbow. Matlab they will join one elbow. So if I have, I will give you a jumper. Elbow elbow is there. So here I need to give here. Okay, and see, you can see here, both is looking like similar, but one having elbow and one don't have elbow. It means only one pipe they can bend according to requirement, but some another fabricator you can use this one single, this one single, this one single, and this two will be welded with this three. Okay, so what need to do, this one is a standard. Some company already manufactured this one, and they are selling as a standard. Okay, so this one already a standard, already in my this one is available already in market as a standard, whatever is a specification is there. So what need to give inside that one? See, only this, select this one, and keep here like a buyout item, so that buyout item, it means that the fabricator only need to purchase this one different, and this one in different way. Okay, so this one already why this one is the fabricator, why this elbow using fabricator, why is not using the bending? Some fabricator having the bending machine for the pipe, and some fabricator don't have. So he is not wasting his time to make this like this. So he is they will buy this one and weld this one from here. They can weld, and he can achieve, they can achieve whatever handle shape is there. So for that one, the fabricator is using elbow, and once he is going to use elbow, okay, actually they are going to use elbow. So we need to give the information about the elbow, and what will be the size of elbow, what will be the standard size, and what will be the item number for the elbow. So from for that one, that for that identification, we are giving here buyout item. It means he will buy as a standard what the product name is there. We can give here. If you will search the on the internet, if you will search in here elbow pipe, see there is a lot of option is there. Okay, so this if you will click anyone, okay, you will click anyone, so you can see here all the things whatever about that product. Okay, all the name RS Pro stainless steel pipe fitting elbow. Okay, and brand RS Pro, and okay, so you can see here RS stocks number is there. And somewhere if you will search somewhere, you can find the this product ID number. So if you will you have this product ID number or name, so you can place here. And item shape also, buyout item, it means elbow item shape also you can say, give here. So it means totally 1 2 3 4, totally 3 lines related to the buyout item. I have given just one example as a elbow, but lot of things is there to buy standard shape and standard material already available in market. So like you can say expansion bolt, like you can say epoxy anchor. So all the thing all lot of things is there. Only I have given this one example. I cannot give all the example at the same lecture. So this one is buyout item, so you need to keep here buyout, and its category number and buyout shape. It's not required sometimes, and sometimes required. So if the fabricator needs that information, you can give that one. Okay, and they will give the information about the item and company name also, so you will be aware about that at the time of the modeling. And product code, product description, website, weight, unit, bearing, all the things related to that buyout item only. Okay, so leave for that, no need to keep all the things here. Okay, a product unit, this one it will be automatically here. You can see, if you will inquire, you can see here all things is available. So no need to keep here anything. See, put net length available, gross length available, weight available, weight available, volume available, all things is available here. So no need to keep here. Okay, leave it for now. And maybe sometimes you need to describe something here, whatever the requirement of the fabricator. So you can generally, we are not giving all the information. Load bearing also, not only 1 and 2, we are giving 1 and 2, sometimes shape, but not every time. So this one only the Tekla having Tekla giving the options, so I am only explaining that one. After that, in condition is totally for the structure designer. So we are not giving here anything, we are not considering anything condition, so leave it. modeling workflow. These are we are using this one. Assigned by, assigned to, designed by, modeled by. We can keep like here name, who is modeler, who assigned to, it means your team leader, who is supervisor, designed by, who is the structure engineer. You can keep here also, or you can give this information to the at the time of the revision. There is a one option in a revision, so you can give this information in the revision also. When we are when we will learn about the drawing and reports, we will discuss this one also, and how to reflect in the drawing also. I will discuss this one. And model date, no need to worry about the model date. Connection applied, nothing. User phase, a user is phase. This one actually, what we are using here, checked by, checked date. Okay, this one only we are using when the model checker is checking this one all the model, and for his own clarification, the checker will give here a name and date, so that he can filter whatever he had checked before earlier. Okay, so after that, only this one option locally, it means is user this one is user friendly. It only for user, you can say we are using, but there is an option we can use to for another things also. We will discuss in drawing, or sorry, we will discuss in template, where when we are going to give when we are going to learn the template. So we will learn about all the options, is the, why this one option is here, and why, how can we use this one. So for now we are using this one, user phase and user issue. The affecting number, it means if I have two pipes, okay, and this pipe maybe this pipe, wait, wait, I need to copy this one from here to here. Okay, I have copied. Okay, so if this one is having different phase, and this one having different phase, and but he will erect, matlab they will erect this one this one member 1 month ago, and this one 1 month later. Maybe this one is maybe let's see, this one is phase 101, this one phase 102, like that. So if I will give this one numbering, I will give the numbering, this will be same in the number series. So what need to do, I need to give this one, we need to give this one number, effective number, it means 102, 103, whatever is there. So it will take a different number. Okay, because this one and this one will, if we are not giving anything, so this one and this one will take same number. What will be the problem for the same number? If I will give this both same number, and having this one is in 101 page, and this one is 105 page. Let's see. So if all the things is all the pipe number is same, uh, so I will give all the pipe number same, and I will give to the fabricator. He will fabricate, they will fabricate, and they will dispatch that member to the site. So on site there will be confusion. Okay, so this one number both same, and only one place in erection drawing, only he found only one place of that particular phase, because this phase is not started at the time, and this one already started. So one member will be remains will not erect at that time. So this will be maybe erect after 3 month, 4 month. So this one issue will come out if we will not give the number affecting. Okay, so and deeply we will discuss about number affecting when we are going to learn about the numbering series. Okay, for now only we are using this one for the number effect, so that this one if both if two or three member or more than two member is same, and but we need different number, so we can give here phase wise or anything else we can keep here, so that number will be different. Okay, and on hold also is the same thing. Field stud, what about the field stud? I think you know about that, but I will discuss here. I will need to change this one. Beam. mm, Beam. Okay, modify. See, sometimes what happen there is sometimes here one stud. Let me check, is there any stud is there, profile is there or not. Okay, there is. So you can see, leave it for now. You can see here. Okay, so this one. Okay, this one is a stud. Okay, let's see the field stud. What need to give? Sometimes we are giving that a stud, number of a stud only, and the profile of a stud for that one, and this one will be welded on the site, because there will be after the top, after the erection of that beam, there will be one deck. After that, then the stud will be welded on the deck with that beam. So we are no, we cannot give this stud in the from the shop, so that we are giving that information here. Here number of stud, how much number of stud need to give in that particular beam. Okay, if you say let's see here, center to center distance 2 feet. Okay, copy center to center distance 2 feet, copy. Sorry, let's say I have 6. Okay, and copy. See, this one is not there. Okay, let's say like that. Need to give, but I have kept in the model, but he doesn't know which beam having how many stud and how many stud, and how can he will weld on the site. So we need to give this information in that drawing. Okay, so for reference we are giving this one in model, and once this one is finalized, I will give here the number and the stud size. Okay, and after that a stud standard. Okay, after that a stud length, how much length is there, like 1 feet 4 inch, but here 1 feet 4 inch not possible. We are not giving, because 4 inch 5 inch only concrete is there. So according to that one, we are giving that whatever the concrete thickness, according to that we are giving this stud length. So length is fully depend upon concrete thickness. You can find in the structure drawing also, so no need to worry about the size of that stud. Structure engineer will give you all the things, and stud grade also. So all the information we need to keep here, and this will reflect in the soft drawing, and this will reflect in the erection drawing also, if they need. That's why we are giving this one, we are using, and this one is too much important. And why sometimes this one welded with this, sometimes only shipped with, for shipping purpose only, we are giving all the things here. Okay, so this is the things we are using for the for the column or beam, like that, both having same use UDA. So either the column, either beam, both having same. Actually we was discuss about the column, but unfortunately I have given the example of that one. Okay, uh, okay, leave it. But this beam and this column having same UDA profile, I will discuss the beam also, but for now UDA will be same all for both. Okay, both having same, see, field both having same, for beam, for column. So do not worry about all the things. See, you can see all the things is same, so do not need to worry about that. Okay, uh, if anything is different, will be different, then I will cover that one also. And this is the UDA, and anything you need assistance from my side, please let me know. And this is the things we need to do in while we are going to model. Okay, this one tutorial for today, and we'll discuss later for the beam and some new things whatever inside that Tekla. So for today it's done. We'll see you on next lecture. Okay, take care, bye bye.